This is section 4, number 10. You can list the angle from the smallest to the largest, right? And to get the angle, we are given the sides here. Please understand that there is a relationship between the angles and the opposite sides, all right? Okay, so let's group this by angles first. So the smallest side is your 5 is less than 6, which is less than 7. And 5 is governed by line AC. 6 is line CB. And line 7 is line AB. Okay, this is just labeling the sides. All right, now we can get the angle. Okay, so line AC, opposite to that is angle B. Line CB, opposite to that is CB. Opposite to that is angle A. Then line AB, opposite to that is angle C. All right, there you go. That is the angles from largest to greatest. All right. All right, here we have B. I decided to grab the same triangle because they use the same letters. So I'm just gonna write the lengths here so I could get a better visual. Line AB is 17, BC is 21, AC is 18. All right, so we can label the sides first. So 18 is less than 17 is less than 18, which is less than 21. 17, it is line AB. 18, which is line AC. And less than 21, which is line CB. Okay, let's see, what is opposite to line AB? That is angle C. AC, it is right here, which is 18. Opposite to that is angle B. And then we have CB. Opposite to that, it is angle A. Okay, and then these are all less than. That is your final answer. Angle C is less than angle B, which is less than angle A.